Welcome to Salem Bay, the thriving community located in Beaufort, South Carolina. Our mission is to provide our homeowners with an experience that is not limited to just their home, but also enhances their quality of life within their community. With over 70 years of high-quality building experience, Pulte's beautiful homes are complemented by resort-style amenities that continue to advance and transform to fit your needs. Salem Bay is anchored on the banks of Battery Creek and has opened its highly anticipated amenity park, an impressive setting for outdoor neighborhood activities. Brand new amenities include a community dock that offers gorgeous marsh views leading into the intracoastal waterway, pickleball courts providing opportunities for friendly competition and physical activity, a community fire pit where residents can relax by a crackling fire, enjoy nature, and connect with neighbors, a community playground offering safe and fun areas for children to play, equipped with slides and a large play area, a resort-style swimming pool and pavilion offering residents a perfect setting for entertainment. Whether hosting a party or taking a refreshing swim, the new pool and pavilion provides a hub for family activities. At Salem Bay, the gentle brush of the fresh lowcountry breeze will comfort you whether you're lounging poolside, enhancing your skills on the pickleball courts, or visiting with neighbors by the fire pit. Come check out our furnished model homes now and see what life at Salem Bay is all about.